very clearly, because I can tell you the situation here is getting heated up here at the front line where the protests are taking place. We're coming to you from top of these barricades here. This side, to my this side, let me just show you the visuals directly, are these protesters. The numbers have grown drastically in the past hour. Angry slogans being raised against Delhi police, against the Home Minister, and also in favor of Arvind Kejriwal. If you can hear, they're shouting slogans against Delhi police. A little while back, some stones were pelted and Delhi police charged them up. They reacted back by lathi charge. Let's go back to these visuals. Here, what my camera person Sumi showing you currently are the shots of these double layer of barricading and preparations made by the Delhi police and also the paramilitary forces which are in place. And here, if you can see, people getting violent, angrier, and people losing patience at this point to try and get inside to where Arvind Kejriwal and the rest of the cabinet is sitting. Let's take you to a visual from this side. This entire front line where we are coming to you from, people have been standing here since morning, especially after the rain died down. We saw the numbers grow, and post that lots of people have come in, climbed on top of barricades, but the police very categorical that Section 144 is in place and they will not be allowing anybody, that means anybody, to get inside. I just want to speak to a few volunteers here. Sir, आप helmet पहन कर आए हैं, पूरी तैयारी करके आए हैं कि आज लाठी चार्ज भी हो गया तो पूरी करेंगे सर, लेकिन इस तरह से क्या पुलिस का कहना है कि सेक्शन 144 इज इन प्लेस, आपको इस तरह से कानून अपने हाथ में नहीं लेना चाहिए।
मैम, किसी ने नहीं लिया, हमारी तरफ से कोई ऐसी बात नहीं हुई है, इन्हों की तरफ से बताया हुआ है।
Sir, you've been standing here from very long. You're such an elderly citizen. What brings you here to such a fiery stage? What brings you here?
Let the general perception about police is that all illegal activities, whether it is drug trafficking, fresh trafficking, or liquor, or anything, happens with the connivance and under the aegis of police. NDTV can put this perception to vote and let the general public know the opinion of the NDTV voting.
People angry against Delhi police also supporting Arvind Kejriwal's entire campaign and the way he's gone around with the dharna. As we speak to you, let's just go back to these visuals again. As I've been here, we've been here actually since yesterday, and yesterday we didn't see a lot of crowd, but yesterday, in fact, Sanjay Singh speaking to us did say that today, till last night, if the demands weren't met, then this morning onwards, they would call in more people and they would fill up the streets of the national capital with these protesters. Now the Delhi police very categorical, they will not let this VVIP zone where we are coming to you from. This is the Raisina roundabout. This is just next to Shastri Bhavan. The executive sits here. There are lots of offices all around this area. What you're seeing on your screens right now, to my right is the press club. Straight ahead is the Raisina roundabout, and from there, just walking distance, about 5 minutes. That's where you are, Ankita. From there is where the highest authority of the government sits in. But keeping all that aside, people have now come out and angry, and they want to come in and join in. A little while back, we also had Manish Sisodia come in trying to reason these people to keep the tempers down, not to indulge in violence, because that would not work in their favor at all. We requested them to calm their tempers, and they would keep sitting here till the time the demands are met, but they should not take law in their own hands. They should not turn violent, not get into a direct confrontation with the Delhi police. That has worked for a while. There hasn't been a lathi charge post about half an hour back when he spoke and when we had the little scuffle, but still people continue to be here. Slogans against Delhi police, against Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde, and also in favor of Arvind Kejriwal continue to grow from this side. Let's try and go this side and show you the visuals. People on top of barricades trying very hard to try and push their way in, but as we've been saying, Delhi police very categorical at this point not to let anybody come inside this area. Remember, this is a highly VVIP zone of the national capital. We are just a few days away from 26 January. Some rehearsals also were supposed to take place of Republic Day right in the morning. Those went on plan, but now police really contemplating. In morning when we spoke to the DCP of the area, he told us if the protests continue this way, it will be difficult for them to go ahead with Republic Day celebrations. We also know that the Home Minister in the morning did meet up with the Chief Police, with the Police Chief, with the Commissioner of Police to try and understand and get a stock of the ground reality of what exactly was happening. Now, if you talk about the options in front of Delhi police, it's very clear. Delhi police have to, at this point, contemplate their options into what happens if they actually go forward and get aggressive with this crowd.